Welcome to Swallow Cabin, set on a working farm in the heart of the Tulbagh Valley, surrounded by mountains and natural beauty. These first shots give you a feel for the setting, vineyards, trees and shifting light throughout the day. As we get closer, it's the outdoor features that really make this place special. There's a simple, stylish outdoor shower, followed by a bath tucked beneath the trees, the perfect spot to unwind and take in the sounds around you. Right next to the cabin, you'll find a wood-fired hot tub and a cargo net, both facing the mountains and perfect for slowing down and soaking up the view. A few quick aerials here give another look at just how beautiful this setting is. Back at the cabin, there are a couple of sun loungers and a covered barbecue area, ideal for relaxed evenings outdoors. Inside, the space is compact but comfortable. There's a small kitchenette with everything you need, a neat and practical bathroom with a walk-in shower, and a cozy living area with a fireplace, a couch and a smart TV. The sleeping area is open and inviting, with the bed positioned to take in the view. Step back outside and you're on the terrace again, a spot where time slows down and it's easy to feel at home. Swallow Cabin is peaceful, well equipped and surrounded by natural beauty, just the way a getaway should be. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more unique stays around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.